Alright, so I've had breakfast. I'm about to go to the competition. I did not get that much sleep last night. I'm really tired. This is my first competition, so I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect, so can't wait to see what happens. Alright, so Mom, we are here.
Yay! Are you so excited?
It's so cold
I need to
outside.
get my stuff.
What? Oh, okay. Can I go get a picture of the thing over there?
What?
I'm gonna go get a picture of the sign.
All the way up, and then it'll come to me.
There's a weird sign that says Rubik Cube. Yes, I'm doing Rubik cubing. How beautiful. Alright, so we are here. Dad, are you excited? Okay. Oh, this looks awesome. So there's so many people here. I'm so excited. This is my first competition.
All right, let's go find out where to check in.
Oh, this is great. Let's find a table first, Dad.
What's that?
Let's find a table first.
I think these tables are for. Here, we'll go right over here by the comments.
Alright.
Right here.
Alright, so they called up my heat. I'm waiting for my name to be called up. I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna record myself on my fancy tripod. Secret? I'm nervous. I don't know what to expect though.
Counts. Good.
For now.
No.
Wait, are you stopping it like a 3x3 or?
Yeah, he's on 3x3 stage. What do you have your phone out for?
No,
I'm doing a
the
vlog.
edges are mixed up.
What?
I'm doing a vlog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Hello, person of the vlog. Whoever's watching this video.
Wait, can you get a video of me turning it?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, after you're done. Ooh. Is that? I think that's a T-perm. No, it's not a T-perm.
It's not a T-perm.
I think that's a paper.
Oh, it's an R. It's an RB perm.
Oh, yeah.
I can't tell through the camera. Nice.
Whoa,
Okay,
this
that's
thing is so heavy.
yeah, I know. Like,
Oh my gosh, now this 3x3 seems small.
yeah, I know.
I'm gonna try to do a
remember
T-perm.
when I
on it.
first used the 9x9.
Whose is this?
Because I owned a
Not mine.
9x9. And let me tell you this. Like, I remember the first time
it can
I
quarter
used
cut,
a
that's
9x9, I went back to a 3x3 and it felt tiny.
Oh my goodness, you're
you
right.
want
It
your
just feels so
camera back?
light. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. I need to.
Careful.
Oh, E-perm. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a +2. I got a sub 20 solve, but it was a +2.
Let me run back, Brandon.
Yeah, this is the same one I DNF'd on earlier because it didn't start. This was the same one as the first one that didn't start.
Oh, yes. Yes. Sub 20 solve. 2 sub 20 solves in a row, but. This kid just sold me these 3 cubes right here for $5, and their tripods in the frame. What the heck?
I got
This
this
gets
for
you set-
$1, $2.
$2, yeah. And this thing,
Yeah, and 3 cubes.
this is you shall, not you shall bro, just a you shall, limited edition blue.
God class.
Then over here, I
big.
have no idea what it's called. Oh yeah, it's the Whaling GTS. It's super duper loose right now. Just like look at that. It's disgusting. I don't even want to see my fingers inside. It's like so
Yeah.
gross. Look at that. I'm about to loosen this one up because it's so tight. This is a mod that they did. Probably followed Nathan Wilson's mod.
The other screwdriver?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I
It
can.
took me like super long to solve. It was made out of Gan Air.
You make around 2, roughly.
Yeah.
What was your average?
First round or second?
What was your best?
Alright, so I am back from the competition. It was fantastic. I was really close to making it to the second round. I was less than 0.5 seconds away on my average. If I hadn't gotten that +2 on my first 19-second solve, I would have probably made it. First round was 5x5. That was trash. I didn't get the third solve because I didn't make the cutoff for the first 2. And 4x4, I didn't. Same story. And 3x3, again, really close to making the second round. I just didn't. It was, all in all, a really fun competition. First one, I really enjoyed it. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.